Are you struggling with the strength of your sentences, not feeling like you're describing things quite well enough? Let's talk about it. Hi, I'm Emmy Duddles, and I've been a writer and an editor professionally for 9 years, and I love to help you with these kinds of problems. The reason that your sentences are not strong enough or your descriptions aren't quite hitting right is probably because you are using too many adverbs and adjectives and you're not choosing specific enough nouns and verbs. This is a very common problem for writers. It's very easy to, when we're describing things, to just slap on a bunch of descriptive words and move on. But one of the best ways to write really well and to write descriptively with a lot of emotion and a lot of action and motion in your writing and in your voice is to pick really specific, really intentional nouns and verbs. And so that's what I talked about in my blog this week. I do both a blog and a YT video, so those will both be up tomorrow. If you would like the newsletter, which sends you the video and the blog, as well as a book recommendation and a writing assignment, I do that every other week, and you can subscribe on my blog page, which is editwithemmy.beehive.com. So I would love to see you over there. Like I said, I do it every other week. I am going through the major foundational grammar things, which is in fact words. Words are the most important part of grammar. And if you don't understand the words that you're using, then it doesn't really matter where you put a comma or a period. And I know those are the burning questions, but you will only know how to do that if you learn the language of words and how to pick them well and how to write specific types of phrases, because those are the things that determine where we put those commas. Hopefully, you are able to write stronger and better sentences after learning about how nouns and verbs should really be as specific as possible. Okay. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments, either here or on my YT video or on my blog. Put your comments and questions wherever you'd like, and I will answer them as well as I can.